You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these name, a Dutch name, and the name of a supermarket chain in the Netherlands. So let's look at the Dutch pronunciation. If you want to learn more Dutch pronunciation, stay tuned. We've got tons more. Dutch, Albert Heijn. Okay, it's actually quite easy. Albert Heijn. So if you cannot pronounce Dutch perfectly, you can say it as Albert Heijn. And that's it. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.